Today I am going to solve activity 8.8. In this activity you have been asked to input a name from a user and save it in a variable named my name, and then you are supposed to find the length of name, that is you are supposed to find the number of characters in that name. Then you are supposed to extract only first three characters of that name. The third thing that you need to do is to convert the name into uppercase letters, and the fourth thing that you need to do is to convert the name into lowercase letters. I have already done this activity using Python, so I am taking you people straight away to the answer. I have practically implemented this activity in Python. First of all, you will in order to input string using Python, you are supposed it is important to write raw underscore input, otherwise Python gives an error. So in order to input a string means ABC, you need to write raw underscore input. Then you will be shown the message on the screen to input name. I have given the name computer over here. This is the name that I have input over here. Then you I have because this name has been saved in the variable named my name, I have printed my name over here. Then I have and you can see that the name computer has been printed on screen. Then using the len function, I have found out the length of this name, and I have saved this length into the variable named length, and I have displayed this variable using this print statement. And you can see that anything that is printed in double quote is printed same to same on the screen. Anything that is without double quote, if any variable name is without double quote quotes, then the value inside that variable will be displayed. Now you can same sentence has been printed on screen, and you can also see that the length of computer is 8. Now the next thing that is asked from that has been asked from you in question is to convert the name into uppercase letters. So I have used upper function of Python to convert my name into uppercase, and I have saved it into uppercase. And to print that uppercase, I have used this print statement. This statement will print the value inside the uppercase on screen. These double quotes will display this sentence same to same on the screen. Now you can see the output. Your name is printed same to same on the screen, and computer is converted into all uppercase, into uppercase letters. Now we are going to convert it into lowercase using the lower function. It will be saved into the variable named lowercase. The value inside lowercase will be displayed on screen using this print statement. This statement will be printed same to same on screen. This statement, your name in lowercase, is this. Now the last thing that we were supposed to do is to return first three characters of name. So we have taken a start from 0, and we have gone till 3, and the first three alpha characters will be saved inside the variable named first 3, which will be displayed on the screen using the print statement. And the first three characters of computer are COM. This has been printed over here. So this was activity 8.8. Now let's move on to activity 8.9. You have been asked in activity 8.9, you have been asked to input two numbers from the user, and user named number 1 and number 2. For the sake of convenience, I have written them as num1 and num2. First of all, you will add both numbers, then you will subtract both numbers, then you will multiply both numbers, then you will divide both numbers, and then you will find the exponent or power of both numbers. Then you will input one more number named as num3 from the user, and then you will calculate these three formulas, and you will calculate their answers. I have already implemented this program also. you can see that I have taken the input, first input in a variable named num1, and that input is in integer form. The This statement is printed on the screen. Please input the first number. I have entered the first number as 12. I have input the second number, number 2, which is also which will also be an integer, and this statement will be displayed on the screen. Please input the second number, and I have an input 14 as the second number. Now I have started taking the calculating the formulas. Over here I have calculated the sum. I have added num1 and num2, and I have saved them in a variable named sum, and I have displayed that sum, which is 12 plus 14, and which is 26. I have taken the sum over here. Then next you were supposed to take the difference. So I have taken the difference over here. You can see the difference over here, num1 minus num2. I have saved them in a variable named difference, and the variable named difference is printed on the screen using this print statement. And 14 minus 12 minus 14 is minus 2, and then I have calculated the product of both numbers. I have multiplied both numbers and saved the answer in a variable named product. And next I have displayed this product using the print statement, and the product 14 multiplied by 12 is 168. Next, moving on to the next formula. Quotient is equal to num1 divided by num2. As 12 divided by 14 will be something in points, so the quotient in whole number form will be 0. So the number 1 divided by number 2 will be calculated over here, and will be saved in a variable named quotient. This quotient will be displayed on the screen, and the quotient is 0 over here. Next, the power of both numbers is calculated num1 raised to the power exponent num2, and this will be saved inside a variable named power, which will be displayed on the screen. You can see that this is the portion of screen that has calculated power. Now you have been asked in the question to input a third number from the user, which is known as named as num3, and I have input 15 as the third number. Last three formulas that were given to you in the book. First of all, you will write the first formula, and you will save it into a variable named answer1, and you will print answer1. Then you will write the second formula, and you will save it in a variable named answer2, and I have printed the answer of answer2 also on the screen. And then you will write the third and last formula, and you will save it in answer3, and you will print it in answer3. You can see it from the book that these are the last three formulas, which I have written one by one on the Python screen over here. So these were activities 8.8 and 8.9. Thank you.